Well, tried everything. That shit would not budge. Nothing. Stop. Ain't going nowhere. Paint time.
Of the Southern. So both Clinton and Harris would serve as the #2 leader in America.
Welcome back to the Will Hemming Show.
As the other half of what many viewed as the
we are on site at mCube, Skunkworks.
Both Jezebel and Athaliah operated
about to fix this damn Chrysler 300
and greatly influenced the kings of those palaces.
Stay tuned.
So both Clinton and Harris operated in the White House.
There is no
dots showing up. So what we did was start to hit this one here. Went right through. Color correction was very thin. You can see it right here. Went right through it. Easy, 600 grit, and we down to bare metal. So we about to go get some paint and do this for real.
You get oxidation. So when a person comes to try to touch up that oxidation, what happens is you sand it slightly with probably the thickest grit sandpaper you use.
That quick.
I literally went one stroke and it was okay. That shouldn't happen. The only way that can happen is if you don't put enough. If you get a paint correction, then it'll shoot more clear because you need more clear. All right, now keep up with updates.
Yeah, we doing the whole thing now.
Oh, no,
I mean, not the whole thing, but I mean, we're going all the way around. We're going to do this. That's all we're going to do today. I ain't going to worry about the roof, because the roof, I'm going to cover that. So, boom. The hood is going to be replaced anyway by a new hood, which I'm going to have the whole thing painted along with the new front bumper. Yeah. I'm going to get a demon hood. You got just a little slice right here. No, just the one slice. It's wide. It goes all the way from here, and it's about that high. It got a certain look to it. I got homeboys that got some of the toughest 300s you ever saw. Shout out RK 300S. And he got the AAR hood, which is I can't touch it because I ain't messing with my man. So I'm gonna do different, but that's what's gonna happen. So I ain't gonna worry about this one right now. I ain't gonna worry about this. But we now about to tackle that. All right. We done hit it with 800. Got this nice and foggy all the way across. We can do this all the way down. Had to open this up good to get all that shit out. So we here and just got this fresh mix PRP in the spray mags 1K. Just tested it. Looks damn good. Damn good. All right, now we taping it up. Getting ready to hit that red, let it set, and then we gonna hit that clear. All right, painting that part. Got it all taped off, got it all plasticed off, and sand it down for the most part. 800. Yeah, it's still a little light spots. All right, we're gonna hit that real quick. Dry like a bone. Smooth, and go for it.
Yo, man, trust your boy. I know a little something.
Dude, we bought 5-6 coats of clear in. No roof.
All in the open.
And looking great. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up doing the whole car like this.
And then since we had a hard line,
finished product.
What we should do is sand the whole car down and give it a full coat on. Put enough clear on there, so you don't have to worry about
All right, we're gonna be back in 2 weeks, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna buff this bad boy out. Now see, you can see the orange peel, but the paint is a match, PRP. It's a little wavy, like I said. We're gonna color sand it. Now you can see the difference in the hood and the roof and the painted part. The orange peels were completely gone off the car, but they back right now. And mind you, we did the whole upper, above the tail light, above that crease. That was the line we stopped.
Hey, I wanted to paint the filler, but he told me not to.
Yeah, we don't need to paint the filler, fuel door. So we would have had to, that's just extra blending. But we, man, this is done. All of that junk that was right there is no more. Thank you very much. Like I said, live from the Skunkworks, another mission completed.